was on my walk here in the woods, there's a lot of rain, there's a lot of wind. I can hear the wind rustling in the leaves. And it made me think about the ancient oracles that were in ancient Greece in an area called Dondona, which is northwest Greece. And these specific oracles would listen to the sound of the wind and listen to the sound of the wind in the leaves. And they believed that these carried messages from the divine, and they would spend time tune in and listen to the messages that came through to them intuitively, whether that was through a feeling, a deep knowing that would come into them, whether that was through hearing, whether that was through seeing, perhaps. So we all have different intuitive abilities, and I just really wanted to just come on today just to give you some inspiration for when you're out in nature on your own. Take time to tune into the sound of the wind, the sound of the leaves rustling, and then start to just notice what information comes through to you. Sometimes a thought or an idea or an image might pop into your mind that might not be random, that might actually be connected to you and the divine. You're a channel. So that was just my little bit of sharing for today. And enjoy nature, enjoy the